Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is trading below a key area of support at around the $6 mark. We are also trading below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance, and we have also almost fully maximized our target area in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3 here on the charts. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completed a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we saw this ABC corrective structure fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2 before we started another 5-wave structure to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And getting to see whether this wave 3 has fully maximized my target areas in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $6.5221 mark, and that is the minimum that I expected Apecoin to do. And you can see that here on the charts we made our high at around the $4.2 mark, which is so close to that target area in the formation of that wave 3, and there are chances that we might have peaked in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $6.42 mark. And after making that high, then whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 4. And assuming that the high was in at around the $6.42 mark, we can sketch out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3. And that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which lies between the $5.2142 mark and the $4.8436 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting that fourth wave to the lower side to do. And in the formation of that wave 4, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure. So I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that wave 4 to the lower side. And once that happens, then we can expect another bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And I believe once you see the formation of this wave 4, then I believe that will be another perfect entry into Apecoin to ride this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. But we also need to have in mind that we did not fully maximize our target area at around the $6.52 mark using the trend-based Fibonacci, and there are chances that in case we see a break above the $6 mark once more, there are chances of regaining some strength to continue pushing even higher. And in case we manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $6.35 mark, maybe see a retest once we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then there are chances of fully maximizing that target area in the formation of that wave 3. And in case such a scenario plays out, then I'll be terming the new high as the high for that wave 3, and then from there we can sketch out a new target area in the formation of this wave 4 using the Fibonacci's once more. But for now, I'm still hoping that we have peaked in the formation of that wave 3, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, which I believe soon we are going to fully maximize before we can start another 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support lower movements to the lower side to fully maximize the formation of this wave 4. And also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD, you have been able to print a bearish cross fully supporting the formation of that wave 4. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.